Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Teams file upload is not working. So if Microsoft Teams won't upload files, the cause is usually one of these: permissions, OneDrive or SharePoint issues, file limits, cache corruption, or a temporary Teams service problem. So here are the quick fixes. So first is to refresh Teams. So what you can do is to sign out and sign back in. After that, you can also fully quit Teams and reopen it. So just click the X icon at the top right to close it fully and reopen it again.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So click on search bar and search for Microsoft Teams and see if that fixed the problem. Next is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom, or you can also go to settings. Then from here, go to network and internet at the left side. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now switch Wi-Fi networks or try a mobile hotspot. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disconnect it and test again. Next, you can also try Teams in a browser. So open Teams in Edge or Chrome. So let's open Chrome, for example. And from here, let's search for Teams. Press enter. So open the chat and try to upload from here. So click on the clip icon, click upload from this device, choose a file that you want to send, and press enter or submit it. Now, if uploads work here, the desktop app cache is likely the problem. So what you can do is to go to settings, then go to apps, click installed apps, and search for Teams. Then go to the right side and click the three dots right here and click on uninstall. Then confirm the action, click uninstall again. Now once uninstalled, you can go to Microsoft Store and install it again. Then sign in to your account and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.